Well, the Bronco fuel pump took a shit, so right now trying to siphon some gas out of it. So these old gas tank bolts are pretty shitty, so I went and got some fresh zinc coated hardware, and I got some penetrating oil to help this out because I didn't have any. I got this little bullshit impact. I have a air powered impact but my compressor doesn't really reach out here, so I had to fill it up and unplug it, wheel it out a little bit, and then use it. So that's it's not going. Finally got the tank out. Oh, luckily it's not in too bad of shape. It just looks like somebody drove it through a pond or something, but it's not rusted out. Doesn't need a new tank, so that's good. Let's see if I can get this new pump in here. Here's the new fuel pump installed. This whole white plastic container replaces the entire factory unit. So all you do is unbolt these two little bolts, slide these three little metal tubes out of here, out of the old one, and then wire it up and stick the new one on, bolt it up, drop it back in the tank. It's ready to go. This is made by a company called Quantum Fuel Systems or something like that. I'm not sure if they're any good. I do have one in the Mustang, I do have one in the Ranger. The reason why I went with this company, not only do they have this nice slick replacement unit, this is a 255 liter per hour pump. The reason why I just keep choosing this company is because every time I Google fuel pumps for certain stuff, this company just keeps coming up. Dude specify for like coyote swaps and stuff like that. So this pump is good for, this 255 will do it's good for a coyote swap. That's why I just went with it. Just because it's the future plan for the Bronco. The wipes are right here, dude.
Are these the wipes?
Yeah, whichever ones you want.
That says glass specialist.
I think they're both free.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, just take the whole lid off.
Perfect. It's like I'm fisting somebody.
Yeah,
What are these
glass.
ones? These look expensive. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Somebody
right
left it open, dude.
Oh, and I didn't do that, Gregory. There's only one. Look, and they did put the dirty one back in.
That was set up for you,
It was
dude.
set up for me. They could afford it. He has fucking $200 batteries just laying on the ground,
burning
grounding
up.
themselves to the core of the earth. They could afford wipes.